I continued all of these cupcakes and I used one free-range egg, but there's actually 12 free-range eggs in a pack. Now we're going to lick the bowl. That's my favourite part because I like the taste of it. It's a bit sweet. If you don't like sweet, you don't have to lick the bowl. If you've got a brother and sister, they can lick the bowl. Now I'm going to put them in the oven. My mummy's going to help me. Or anyone like, or carer, or babysitter, or anyone. But make sure it's someone who's big, like my mum.